Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the intermediate data analysis in our tutorial series. So today we'll be looking at how to estimate group numbers and group sizes within the dplyr package. Let's first install the package and also create a sample data frame which looks something like this with 3 columns of trees, location and heights. For finding the number of groups, we use the n_groups function, and before that you need to make sure that you group your data frame based on the particular column. So here I am grouping the data frame based on trees, and then I am trying to see how many groups are there. So if I run this code, I get that there are 2 different groups, but if I change the trees to, let's say, location, it should give me 3, because there are Malaysia, India and Indonesia, so there are 3 location. And you can also find what are the specific categories or like the unique types of trees by using the distinct function. So if you run this code, you see that there are 2 different groups, and here we get the names of these groups, which are mangroves and neem. Similar way, we can also find what are the group sizes. So here also you need to first group by the specific column, and then you use the group_size function. So if you run this code, it will give you, for the first group there are 4 values, and for the second group there are 5 values. So again, the group, for getting the group names, you can use the distinct function. So what this means is that we have 4 values for mangroves and 5 values for neem. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're looking into more R related data analysis video. Till next time, ciao.